103-05F1, Highland County Common Pleas Court case number 21-CR-103, in violation of section 2921.34A1 of the Ohio Revised Code against the peace and dignity of the state of Ohio. Also alleges that count 2, on or about September 10th, 2021 in Highland County, Ohio, Donald Gale Hofstetter did, with the purpose to deprive the Highland County Sheriff's Office, the owner of the property, did knowingly obtain or exert control over said property to wit, a jail uniform, beyond the express or implied consent of the Highland County Sheriff's Office, the owner or person authorized to give consent, in violation of section 2913.02A2 of the Ohio Revised Code against the peace and dignity of the state of Ohio. Mr. Hofstetter, you have the right to have an attorney represent you at all stages of this proceeding. I do see that you have applied for court-appointed counsel. This court-appointed application states that you live at 5900 BIS Road, Lancaster. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now.
That's where you're at right now? And which prison is that?
Yeah. SCI is Southeastern Correctional Institution. It's in Lancaster.
Mr. Hofstetter, it's my understanding you're incarcerated until 2023, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so you are currently unemployed. Is that also correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You have no other source of income, is that right?
No, I have none.
So you do qualify for court-appointed counsel. And I'm going to appoint Jacob Wagner to represent you in this matter. Mr. Wagner's name and phone number will be contained in an entry that I will prepare in your case. So that Mr. Wagner can adequately represent your interests, I am going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Excuse me, I've got a horrible cold.
There's a bunch of that going around up here.
Yeah, it's bad. At least it's not COVID. I did test negative. So, Mr. Hofstetter, we do need to consider bond in your case. I understand that you're currently incarcerated and you're not going to get out, but if for some free chance you get out, I'm going to set a bond. I'm going to set that bond at $15,000. It's kind of a futile point. You're stuck there. You know, the only person that could let you out with judicial release would be Judge Cost. You've got a new indictment pending. He's not going to let you out, but I'll set bond at $15,000. In addition, you would have to pay a $171 service fee if you're able to be released to your court's office. You would have to report weekly to your probation department and undergo any random drug testing or anything that they might require. You would have to provide them with a current telephone number and address where you were found, have no contact with any of the alleged victims, and remain under house arrest if you were able to be released.
There is no victims in these cases.
Well, the victim in this case would be the sheriff's department because you stole a uniform.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's going to be a
yeah, I was wondering, I hate to interrupt you. Did you tell me how much my court cost was? I was going to try to get that paid while I was put up and already incarcerated.
Yeah. Do you have access to the internet in there?
Just to get to here to see you guys, that's it. I don't have no access to do anything.
Yeah, because unfortunately I don't know what the court cost amount is. And I don't know how to get that to you. Ever had that request before? Because, I mean, it's available online. If you go online to Highland County Common Pleas Court, you can look it up online and you can even pay it online. So I don't know if you have access to family members that maybe you could ask one of them on a phone call to get that information for you, or have them call the clerk's office. But I can't do it for you.
Yeah.
But Mr. Hofstetter,
since my mom passed away, I don't have anybody out there to really contact. So that's where all this stuff started at after she died.
Well, I tell you what, I will make a note in your file that you requested that information. I will have that information put into your file so that when your pre-trials or whatever, if you ask that question again, they'll have the information for you. Okay? So I am going to order this be scheduled for a first pre-trial on January the 10th at 1 o'clock. I am going to order a final pre-trial January 31st at 1 p.m. It's currently scheduled for jury trial February 22nd at 8 a.m. I am going to order that you appear at all those court appearances. If you fail to appear, that could be considered a 50-degree felony, which could serve time in penitentiary. Do you understand that? So in addition to your $15,000 bond, I'm issuing an OR bond. Again, that OR bond is your promise to reappear at those court appearances. Do you have any questions about any of that?
No, ma'am.
No. I am also going to set this for a bond review hearing. That's scheduled for, is it that? Yeah, let's see. Yes.
I thought she said we weren't doing
Yeah, we
that.
probably don't need one on that. This is, so we don't need to do that. So just first pretrial January 10th, final pretrial the 31st, and jury trial February 22nd. Any questions?
Is that, are you guys gonna send that paperwork up here so I can have it up here?
They'll send it to you.
They should.
You'll get a copy.
Okay. All right, thank you, ma'am.
And again, who did I appoint to represent you? Let's see. Jacob Wagner.
Wagner.
Yeah. Okay? Anything further?
All right.
Nothing
That's
further.
it, ma'am.
We're adjourned.